Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see the location of an Airbnb property. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device and browse through the available listings. Once you find an accommodation that catches your eye and you want to see where it's located, go ahead and tap on it to open the full listing details. This will take you to the property's main page where you can view photos, amenities, and other important information. After the listing opens, you'll need to scroll down through the property details. Keep scrolling past the photos, description, and amenities section until you come across a map preview. This map gives you a general idea of where the property is situated within the area, showing nearby landmarks and the surrounding neighborhood. Now, on that map preview, you'll notice a small expand icon, usually located in one of the corners of the map. Tap on this icon to open the map in full screen mode. This expanded view makes it much easier to explore the exact location and get a better sense of the property's surroundings, including nearby restaurants, public transportation, and points of interest. Once the map expands, you'll be able to see the location plotted on the map with greater detail. However, it's important to note that some accommodations will only show you the general area rather than the precise address. Airbnb does this for privacy and security reasons. In many cases, you'll need to complete your reservation before the exact location is revealed to you. This is a standard practice to protect both the host and the property from unwanted visitors or security concerns. And that's it. You've now learned how to view the location of any Airbnb property and understand that some listings require a reservation to see the exact address. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.